Have you ever heard of the most bizarre festivals in the US? Welcome to the Art Car Parade! More than 250 eclectic art cars fill the streets, showcasing creativity. Participating entries range from bananas to fantastical beasts. It's a feast for the eyes and a platform for local artists. Everyone can join in, ensuring excitement for all. In May, Marion, North Carolina hosts the WNC Bigfoot Festival. As enthusiasts gather, they participate in lectures, contests, and a fun-filled street fair. Vendors showcase handmade crafts, while kids enjoy bounce houses. Everyone gets involved, from believers to skeptics, making it a community event like no other. July brings high excitement in Roswell, New Mexico, with the UFO Festival. The celebration commemorates the notorious Roswell incident. Enjoy live music, engaging exhibits, and even themed cocktails. The fun is endless, drawing visitors of all ages to revel in this extraterrestrial celebration. Next in the lineup is the Underwater Music Festival in the Lower Keys, Florida, held every July. This festival merges music and coral conservation. Guests listen to tunes while submerged in water, and mermaids perform delightful antics. The aim is to promote coral awareness while providing a truly unique experience. In August, Twinsburg, Ohio becomes the ultimate destination for twins at the Twins Days Festival. Celebrate the unique bond of twins with parades, contests, and informative talks. This Guinness World Record event welcomes everyone, but twins partake in special activities, making this gathering truly special. September features Point Pleasant, West Virginia's Mothman Festival. Dive into the legend of this cryptid with fun activities, food, and entertainment. The festival draws crowds who celebrate the iconic creature while exploring arts and crafts. The North American Wife Carrying Championship in Maine tests teams' strength while offering ridiculous rewards. Then, in Virginia City, Nevada, the World Championship Outhouse Races present a comical competition where teams race decorated outhouses down the streets. Both events ensure laughter and entertainment. These quirky festivals not only provide unique experiences, but also allow communities to showcase creativity and humor. Mark your calendars for these unusual celebrations. Ready to join the fun? Plan your visit to these memorable events for a fantastic time.